Hey everybody, it's Keith Couch with Rush Truck Centers, Greeley, Colorado. Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's here on YouTube with another truck for you today. We actually have two of these. Second one's inbound, or should be here very shortly anyway. We just had a few component issues we're missing that we were waiting for. So I got a twin to this. I think they are consecutive VIN numbers. We painted the same, just absolutely identical truck. So I do have two of these available. Before we go into it, take a minute if you would and just go over and check out my podcast. It's Truck Around and Find Out. It's on Apple Podcasts and Spotify right now, and we are going to add it to YouTube here shortly. So I'll put a link to that once we get it on YouTube. So we will have it on the same channel you're watching now. So it should be good. Anyway, this is a brand new 2027 Peterbilt 567, 18-foot dump body by OSW. Got a 20,000 pound steer axle. And got a 120 fuel tank. There's our polished F tank. We got two pushers. This is what we call a quad axle dump. 255 70R 22.5 tires. Both of them are 13.2 pusher axles, so they're stout. They're not the 8,000 or the 10,000 pounder. They're the stout 13.2s. So very tough axles. 46,000 pound rears. Peterbilt air track suspension, tough as it comes. Full lockers. OSW body. Absolutely gorgeous body. They do a really nice job. They're out of Phoenix. Be glad to get you in touch with them. Even if you just need a dump body, just holler. Be glad to help you. High lift tailgate. The tarp's already installed. It also has a vibrator installed, so it's ready to go to work. Pintle hitch. This is a Cummins X15, 525 horse, 1850 torque. So we didn't put the little engine in this one. Air and electric, all that's back here. Nice pintle plate. Very well done. OSW does a nice job. AccuRide wheels on this one, all the way around. Saddle tank right behind the cab. The way this works out, that's where we kind of get the space to get the bridge right and everything, and it's just, we fill that up with that tank and it looks really nice. The fit and finish of the OSW is very good. There's your after treatment. 20,000 pound steer axle. I think it caught. Oh, yep. Show you the hot side of the motor here. 15-liter Cummins. Spring suspension, 20,000 pound spring suspension. The 567 hoods are made of Metton, M-E-T-T-O-N. Very tough. And as you can see, it's a three-piece hood. You've got your piece here, piece in the middle, and another piece. It makes repairing them much less money. So you got to just do one fender. And this is a 525 horse, 1850 torque. Got the jump posts right there, under hood. Davco 382 fuel filter. It's a good motor, really good. It's a performance series, so it does a lot better than the 500s. Much better fuel mapping, a lot of upgraded components. It just makes it a much better engine. Guys are a lot happier with it. Single exhaust, tapered front bumper. This has 358 gears in it, and it's got an 18-speed automatic. So this ought to be just a fantastic Absolutely fantastic dump truck. Cloth seats. Your batteries are underneath the passenger seat. See if we can fire her up here. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, air horn, factory CB. Other than that, nothing too fancy. Here's your gauges. There's your A panel. You can design this A panel to whatever you want. Got the smart wheel on it. And here's all your buttons. Your pusher axles, PTO, everything. An OSW installs this in the center. So I just thought I would share this one with you. I have 2 available. This we're into May right now. Oh, and it's got heated mirrors too. I didn't see that button there. But there's the shifter and your Jake control button. So Cummins X15, 5.25 horse, 1850 torque, 18-speed automatic with 358 gears. It'll be a fantastic truck. Appreciate you guys watching. Let me know if there's anything I can help you with, whether it's a new truck, used truck. I'd be happy to help. 970-691-3877. It's best to text me first because sometimes my voicemail gets full quick, so sometimes if you send me a quick text, then I can call you back or text back, whatever we need to do. Or you can email me at couchk, COUCHK @rushenterprises.com. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for what you do. And if you get a chance, go check out the podcast, Truck Around and Find Out, on Spotify and Apple Podcasts. Thank you guys. Take care.